How to update Roblox on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can update Roblox on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Whether you want to update Roblox or any other apps, is what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and open up your app store and then go ahead and search in for Roblox. Now if you have the game installed and if the update is available, you'll find the option update right away. As you can see, you have not installed the application, but you'll be able to find the update option if you have installed it. However, if the update is out and you haven't yet received on your device, then it might take some time as the update releases over time on different reasons on different time zones. So you might want to wait and check later on. So this is how you can update Roblox on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.